Hello everyone, Sinisterjag here. I just recorded my Wrestlecrate unboxing on my camera, and for some reason it didn't record it onto my memory card, so I have to do it again on my laptop. So I'm not sure what happened there. So I was just in the middle of editing it, but on my memory card it didn't show up as recording. I don't know what happened. Anyway, so I had to unpack my t-shirts when I packed for the caravan, so I just quickly go through it again. This is the first t-shirt, Kenny Omega, which I knew I was getting, and second t-shirt, I still can't pronounce the name, sorry, there we go, Unbeatable. So unfortunately my original unboxing is, I don't know what happened to it. Anyway, I'll start again. Do it again. And we have here a patch for your pants. If you got holes in your pants, you can sew this on your pants. Like that. And we have a pin badge. Can you see that? Wrestlecrate official collaboration. And we have a card for a free download for the wrestling school, a documentary about the Santino Brothers Wrestling Academy. So you go to the website and you put the code in Wrestlecrate and you can download that documentary. Right there. And we have a sticker that says "Dives makes me feel Randy." You see that? I have to do this on my laptop because I don't trust my camera anymore. I don't know what happened there. Anyway, this signed photo. I'm sorry, I'm not sure who this is. If you do, you're better than me. I don't know. But this one goes with the DVD I've got, and I've just put that away because I'm taking it to Caravan. But anyway, that is Flash. Forget Morgan something. Morgan website. So that's that there. And we have the poster like this. PJ Stars. I have how good is that? So I'm sorry my original unboxing didn't somehow didn't record, unfortunately. So I've had to do this quickly again because after the caravan soon. Excuse me. That's everything. Anyway, I just want to say thank you because I reached over 3,000 subscribers recently. So thanks for that. Let's see if we can hit 500 soon. And so thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more, and I'll see you later. And I hope this works. See you later. Bye.